Welcome to Homework Lib.
I have a scenario to model it. If the ramp is 40 feet and there's a 6% grade, you could call this like 6x and 100x, or I'm calling it 0.06x and 1x, because that would be 6% vertically compared to the horizontal. That would be a 6% grade. Then you can use the Pythagorean theorem here. You could say that x squared plus 0.06x squared is equal to 40 squared. And 0.06 squared, we could figure out, is 0.0036. So 1x squared plus 0.0036 would be 1.0036x squared equals 40 squared is 1600. Divide 1600 by 1.0036 and we get about 1594.26. Then we'll square root that. That's about 39.93. That's what x is. We want to know the vertical distance. And if x is 39.93, you're going to multiply that by 0.06. And you're going to get it to the nearest hundredth, 2.40. So the vertical rise is about 2.40 feet.